3 things you should make sure you do before you start designing your transformational programs. This is a must watch if you are early doors with your online coaching business and you are wanting to put an online program out there to market. If this sounds of interest, then awesome, stick along as I will have more in the next section. Let's jump in. Hi, my name is Jen Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the Soul Central Directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus soul searchers, manifestors and high achievers. So if you do feel that is the right audience for you to place your fine services towards, then feel free to like this video, subscribe and put in the comments section below Soul Central Directory. I'll send you over the information and I'll get you into the next edition. Okay, so 3 things you must make sure you do before you start designing your transformational program. Number 1 is to make sure you have an end tangible result. Whether it's low ticket or high ticket, more so on the high ticket I would say, but making sure you have an end tangible result for your client or your prospect I should say, is going to be great for you when it comes to selling your program. People usually are paying for a transformation. So if also bring it to the weight loss area, if you can get someone to lose X amount of weight within X amount of time, then obviously they know exactly what they're investing into and they should pretty much expect that result at the time of working with you. When it comes to business, making sure you have tangible offerings in your service, your transformational programs. So it could be that you are aiming to help someone make X amount within a certain amount of time, or whether you're building assets in someone's business, whether it's a funnel or a Facebook group or marketing campaigns. So again, just making sure that you have an end tangible result. And if, for example, you are a hypnotherapist, you could be offering maybe the transformation of someone now not smoking after they work with you. So making sure you feel you can offer an end tangible result, so someone will pay you money for a particular thing at the end of the time working with you, then that is a very good thing that you must make sure that you can do before you start. The second thing I would like to mention is making sure there is demand for what you can offer a particular person. So are there other people in your area, in your industry, that are already doing what you are already wanting to do? If there is no one doing what you want to offer the market, then maybe it's because someone's tried it before, it hasn't really worked, there's no demand for it. So making sure you do your market research. So it's always best to model what works, not copy someone, but model what works. So if there are particular healers doing a certain type of healing and there's demand for that particular type of healing, then it's probably because there's a demand for it. Or if there's a certain type of therapy that people are, reaching out for and you can offer that type of therapy, then feel free to then do that. Then you are in the best place possible for you to be good at positioning what you offer with a return on your time, effort and energy going into what you want to do. So making sure there is demand for your particular service. And the third thing I would like to address here is making sure that you are just one step ahead of your particular client or your prospect. So you don't need to map out a whole program from start to finish all the way to the end with all the details, all the videos, all the worksheets. If you are bringing someone into a 12-week program, just build out the first couple of weeks to a month out of the 12 weeks, 3 months, because then that's all you need to do. You just need to be one step ahead. If you were starting out to freshers, say, you just need to be one step ahead of the particular person you wish to help. That will save you loads of time, energy, effort and money. And also you can build out a program in time with the clients. They can give you feedback as you go along the journey together, which is very, very valuable for you. So yeah, it's definitely a good little tip, and you don't, again, as mentioned, need to build up the whole 3-month program if you are doing a 12-week transformation. Okay, so just to recap, number 1, make sure you are offering an end tangible result. Number 2, make sure there is a demand for your particular program. And number 3, all you need to do is be one chapter ahead of your prospect straight clients. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video in particular. As mentioned, I do have the Soul Central Directory. It goes out to over 10,000 plus soul searchers, manifestors and high achievers. So if you do want to put yourself in front of that audience for free as a free listing, listening, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment below, Soul Central Directory, and I'll send you over the information and I'll get you into the next edition. Thanks ever so much again for listening, and here's to your business success.